Anemology is the scientific study of wind. It is a branch of meteorology that focuses on understanding how wind behaves and how it affects our environment. The word anemology comes from the Greek word anemos, which means wind. This field of study helps us learn about wind speed, direction, and changes in the air. It is important for weather forecasting, energy production, and even designing safe buildings. Wind is the movement of air caused by differences in temperature and pressure throughout the Earth. When the sun heats the Earth unevenly, it creates areas of high pressure and low pressure. Air moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas, and that movement is what we feel as wind. Anemologists study these differences to understand why wind flows the way it does. In simple terms, they try to answer questions like why one area has a strong breeze while another remains calm. In ancient times, people paid close attention to the wind. Many early sailors and farmers learned to observe the wind for navigation and planning their work. Over the centuries, the study of wind has grown into a rigorous science. Today, scientists use various tools to measure wind. One common instrument is the anemometer, which measures wind speed. Another tool is the wind vane, used to find the wind's direction. Using these instruments, anemologists build a picture of how wind behaves over time. The knowledge gained from anemology is used in many practical ways. For example, architects and engineers study wind patterns when designing buildings and bridges. They want to ensure that structures can withstand high winds and storms. In the field of aviation, understanding wind is crucial. Pilots use wind forecasts to plan the safest flight paths and schedules. Wind also plays a major role in sports and recreation, influencing everything from sailing races to hang gliding. Anemology is not only important for human activities but also for the natural world. Wind affects weather and climate. It helps move clouds, storms, and even dust across large areas. By studying wind, scientists learn more about the Earth's climate and how it changes over time. For instance, understanding wind flow helps in predicting extreme weather events such as hurricanes and tornadoes. This information can save lives by giving people time to prepare for severe weather. Another exciting area is the use of wind for energy. Modern wind turbines convert the energy in the wind into electricity. Anemologists help determine the best locations for wind farms and the best designs to capture the wind's energy. This application is especially important as many countries turn to renewable energy sources to protect our planet. In summary, anemology is a vital science that helps us understand one of nature's most powerful forces, wind. It connects the study of the natural world to everyday life by improving safety, boosting energy production, and enhancing our weather forecasts. By learning about anemology, we gain a better understanding of how the air moves around us and the many ways it shapes our world.